Karina here. OYANG was founded in 2006. In 2008, China issued a plastic restriction order. We got a big order from Walmart. They decided to replace the plastic bag with nonwoven vest bag. In 2010, OYANG brand was founded. In 2013, we developed the world's first nonwoven box bag making machine, which was rapidly updated and iterated from the first generation to the 8th generation. In 2018, our OYANG bag making machine market share occupied 95%. The annual output value is around 300 million. But our development has encountered a bottleneck. How can we break through? We began to make strategic changes from a single deviation to a multi-deviation development model. In 2019, we launched the paper bag deviation successfully. Just 2 years, our sales performance in the top of the China market. Then we also launched the paper capillary deviation and the rotographer printing deviation, and so on. Currently, we have 8 major deviations with the annual output value of over 700 million. In 2023, we built a digital intelligence production workshop. We have intelligent 3D warehousing and intelligent processing CNC centers to realize digital management of spare parts production and warehousing. 2023 is the first year for IPO stage. We aim to be listed in 2027. See you next time. Bye-bye.